Okay, this is our first alpha playtest of the most dangerous game. We'll try to give you a little background and then just play through it and see how it works and what we'll have to fix in the next go-round. This obviously is the map. The dark blue is ocean. These dark gray are jungle. These three are the players that are going to be hunted by Zerov, the bad guy, and this is him. Right here, I marked it for this, just for the sake of clarity for now, is the castle, the starting point. Zerov starts here. The three players, the 300 people, can start anywhere adjacent to this piece, to this castle, rather. Now, this is, right now we're only doing 2 players. Right, Steve?
2 or 3?
It's 2. He's my second player.
Okay.
Okay? So I've got 2, yeah. It's 2 people playing. So, what we're going to do this go-round is I will play Zerov, the bad guy, and my second player, my partner Steve, is going to play the hunted people, and so we can see how it works. He's going to be able to play all 3 people. So he will roll and choose for each one of these 3. Now, these are a sample of cards that the hunted players use. These are the bad guys cards, Zerov. For each turn, the player picks a card and then uses it, holds onto it for later gameplay, or returns it to the deck. Their goal is to get to shore, to get an escape boat, find one of the escape boats which have been concealed, and escape. Once they get to the boat, if all 3 survive, they all have to get to the boat. We'll try a we'll do a playthrough rather than just talk it out. Okay, Steve is going to go first, and as the hunted player, he's going to roll 2 dice, a pair of these, and move each player. But first, maybe, how about if we put these cards over here? Makes it a little easier. Okay. You draw a card first, per player. Draw a card first, and then move. So.
Put it on the camera.
Yeah, it says, you have an empty canteen or brackish water. So this player is going to lose. Which player is he going to be?
Play this guy first.
Okay. What we're going to do is there will be 3. There will be 1 of these health die for each player. I only have 1 right now. He loses 1 health point every second round. So 2 rounds from now, this goes down. Each player starts with 8 health points. If he gets to 0, he's dead, he's out of the game. So I don't know if we'll be able to see it here, but he's here. Okay, return him to the deck. I'll do some of these just to, a little bit, just to keep it moving. Yeah. Okay, now you can remove that player. 9.
What's yours? 1.
Now, this player's landed on a jungle space. In the rules, everybody has a canteen of water and a hunting knife, and these darker gray spaces are jungles. As long as he's got his hunting knife, which he does, they can move one space. If he draws a card in this deck that says lose your hunting knife, these spaces would count as 2. So, he's fine. Okay.
Next
and
card, right?
Draw another card.
That's different.
Refill water canteen. So, now,
So this is the second player.
yep, which you're already starting at your max. So I would say you return him to the deck. So that player has a shot later on at getting it. 10. Okay. And your third. Set a Burmese pitfall trap. Target rolls for health point loss. Okay. This is a refinement we're going to make in the later one. The players will each have a mini map where he can set his trap. So, he's got a tiger trap. I don't know where it is. So take any one of these spaces in your immediate vicinity, or around there. You can't put it way out there, and just mark it on your mini map. And if I land on that, then I as the bad guy would have to roll for damage. If I go below my health points also, I'm dead. If I didn't mention it before, that's the other way the players can win, other than getting on a boat, is to kill me, the bad guy. And traps are one way to get me. Okay, now you have a third.
That was, and I have a roll
That
to
was
make
the
for the third person.
Okay.
8.
Okay. Now, Zarif is going to roll. He rolls only 1 dice. He draws a card, then rolls a dice. If he lands by exact count on one of these players, he knocks him out. The player's dead. You'll see in the cards, if he gets within a shooting range, he gets to fire. If the card comes up during this demo, we'll show you. So, I'm going to draw first